Hello, I'm Luke Myers, owner of Myers Aero Services in Superior, Nebraska, south central Nebraska. I own operations here in Superior, Hastings, and Red Claw, Nebraska. We operate air tractor, 5 air tractor turbines here in the Kansas, Nebraska area. I've been using Magnation now for about 2 years, and we put them in on our systems, our load systems here. For the main reason was having softer water. When that magnet breaks up the minerals on the water molecule and makes it softer water, the chemicals mix easier, and the efficacy of the chemicals, they work better. So in our herbicide applications, we're getting better results with our herbicide applications on our pastures and also some of our roundups that we do with some of the airplanes. And then also with the fungicide and insecticide, we're getting good results, better results, more consistent results where we're not having to go back and have to respray a field here or there, but the water condition, the better water is really helping out how the chemicals are working together with the airplane and what we're spraying. We also install them on both of our spray systems here in Superior, and what we're doing with that is we're getting better water flow per minute. We have a flow meter on both our systems, and before and after the magnet was installed, we had anywhere from 3 to 4 gallons a minute increase in each pump after the magnet was installed. So overall, the Magnation magnets, I believe they are very successful in helping a business or an operator with what they're trying to achieve, and I appreciate the opportunity.